Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to meet the Assam MPs today on the Assam-Mizoram border dispute. So that's the latest breaking news input we are picking up as far as the Assam-Mizoram border issue is concerned, with Prime Minister who will now hold a key meeting over the border dispute. He's all set to meet Assam MPs on the issue today. We have been picking up many details as far as the centre's attempt to reach a peaceful solution to the Assam-Mizoram dispute is concerned, with, remember, Union Home Minister Amit Shah also regularly intervening and constantly being in touch with both the chief ministers. Our senior executive editor Abhishek Kapoor is also with us, getting us more details on the same. Abhishek, we are being told that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be holding a key meeting with MPs from Assam. What more can you tell us about the latest situation and how the centre is now trying to really reach a solution as far as this border dispute is concerned?
Well, Katrine, for one, the centre has been very intensely involved in the entire crisis as it has panned out between Assam and Mizoram from day one. We have seen how Home Minister Amit Shah was in constant contact and touch with the respective chief ministers, as a result of which we have seen pullback happening. Assam has withdrawn FIR. I believe Mizoram has withdrawn FIR against Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, and Assam in turn has withdrawn its own side of FIR against an MP from Mizoram. So detent and pullback is happening. Yesterday we saw forces pulling back to their respective positions from the confrontation that was happening. I think things are moving in the right direction, and in that context, first, the Northeast Forum, which is a platform of all Northeastern MPs, requested that the Home Minister and the Prime Minister's office take direct note of things, and that's how things set moving. And now the Prime Minister is meeting the set of MPs from Assam in Parliament. Remember, Parliament is in session, and subsequently he would also meet the Mizoram MP. So essentially, centre making sure that things do not escalate in stage one, then de-escalation happening. And now the Prime Minister is meeting with the intention that some kind of solution should also be found out to this standing crisis which has been there festering for quite some time.
Absolutely. So we do know that the centre wants to make sure that the situation is diffused at the earliest, Abhishek. And, we're also getting information on how there are no plans on a CBI probe for the moment, because the centre wants to make sure that the matters don't escalate further. But do we know more on the centre's plans on perhaps deciding to demarcate boundaries of northeastern states through satellite imaging? That's also one particular angle that was being talked about.
Well, yeah, that's a project, in fact, Christine, that has already been picked up in the immediate aftermath of the crisis. That was one solution that was thought of, and the Prime Minister's office is directly involved in this. Junior Minister in Prime Minister's office, Jiten Singh, who also is in charge of Science Ministry, is getting involved. He has been the Northeast Minister as well, the Minister in charge for the Northeast region. And so, though of course that project is going to take a bit of time, but then ball has been set rolling so far as making sure that the boundary disputes are minimized with the aid of latest scientific tools. But as I said, Prime Minister himself taking personal interest, so obviously de-escalation is happening.
Absolutely. We heard Himanta Biswa Sarma also say that incidents at Assam-Mizoram border are completely unacceptable and talks are the only solution. Prime Minister Modi now will be holding a key meeting with Assam MPs. Let's see how that plays out. Abhishek, we'll keep coming back to you. Thank you.